Hello friends, hope you are fine and good. In this video, I will give you many other DIY ideas of crochet flowers. The making of crochet flowers requires patience and attention to detail, but the result is a lasting glow, one that never wilts, always brings joy and represents the skill and artistry of its creator. Crochet flowers are more than just decorative pieces. They are miniature works of art. Each stitch woven with care and creativity. Every loop of yarn carries the quiet rhythm of handwork, turning simple strands into blossoms that never fade. Unlike real flowers which bloom and wither with time, crochet flowers remain eternally fresh, capturing the essence of nature in a These handcrafted blooms are created by building upon basic crochet techniques, yet they allow for endless expression. Some are flat and symmetrical, evoking the simplicity of a daisy or a forget-me-not. Others take on sculpture forms with petals that curve, twist, or overlap, mimicking the natural irregularities found in rare flowers. The process may involve shaping patterns individually or constructing them in layers, with each round adding new depth and detail. The tactile quality of crochet flowers sets them apart. Their texture is tangible, soft, yet structured. The petals can be smooth or ruffled, delicate or dense, depending on the choice of stitch and material. A flower made with silky yarn might appear glossy and elegant, while one crocheted in rustic cotton might have a natural earthy charm. Color combinations bring another layer of richness. Crafters may choose to reflect the colors of real life flowers or explore imaginative palettes that defy nature. Deep blues, neon pinks, or gradient shades that shift from one tone to another. This freedom allows crochet flowers to transcend seasons, emotions, and cultural boundaries, becoming symbols of love, remembrance, celebration, or simply beauty for its own sake. Crochet flowers also serve a wide variety of purposes. They are not confined to one role. They adorn, they embellish, they symbolize. A single flower may decorate a newborn's cap, wedding dress, a gift box, or a wall hanging. They can be stitched onto blankets, turned into brooches, used in scrapbooks, or gifted as tokens of affection. Each use adds another story to its thread. In a world increasingly defined by speed and machinery, crochet flowers stand as a quiet rebellion. Remember that some of the most beautiful things are still made slowly by hand with heart. So thank you so much guys. Take care of yourself and watch my full video. Thanks for watching once again. Bye bye. Take care of yourself.